Vishnu Chakravarti Thakur in his Tika, 10th canto, chapter 88, verse 8, he explains about this, and he said the suffering of the devotee in the hands of Krishna is like the pain that a son feels when his mother slaps him. The suffering that a devotee, guru or disciple may experience, the setbacks, the negativity, the disease, the accidents, whatever they suffer, it's compared to the slaps that a mother might slap her child. And that's on one side. And the other side is that's compared with getting beat up by a gunda. So if a gunda or a dacoit or a thief attacks you, he may kill you. So that thief and gunda who's beating one up is the karmis. So the karmis may suffer, but their suffering is like getting beaten by a dacoit, whereas the suffering of devotees is like getting slapped by your mother. Hey, don't do that. She just goes like this, Oh, I'm sorry. Even to cry. She used to go like that, you cry. But when somebody break your nose and break your head and twist off your ear and break your arm, that's a heavy beating. So this is an analogy he uses. I like it. It's very nice. So, best that we always, the disciple will feel an immediate, he generally does, he feels if after taking Diksha, it feels as if a weight has been lifted off his shoulders, his head, and that's the subtle weight of his negative karmas, and what we call prabdha karmas, the negative bad things, the sinful things. Good thing, just not that when you get initiated, the guru takes all your good karma and all your bad karma. Your good karma, you're supposed to inherit so much money in 5 years. So in 5 years, the guru inherits all your money. Your uncle changed his mind and said, I was going to give it to Gaurav, but I think I'll give it to his guru. He's a nice guy. No, it's not like that. The Shubhada is preserved. Krishna says that in Gita. Ananyas chintyanto mam ye jana paripashate te shannityabhayuktanam yoga shema mahamyam. I preserve what you have. I keep what you have as good. What you have is good, I let you keep it and I make it better. And what you have that's bad, I take away. I carry what you need, I preserve what you have, and I keep away what you don't need. So that's all implied in the phrase yoga shema mahamyam. Waham means I carry. Aham wahan. I carry the good things to you and give them to you. And I take away the bad things. And any other good things you have, I increase their quality and I increase their amount of the good things you have. You have some humility, you have some patience, you have some mercy and compassion, and then that's nice, you have these things. Now you surrender to me, I'll keep those, I'll preserve those, and I'll increase it more and more. You'll become more merciful and more patient and more tolerant by the mercy of Krishna.